The power cord passes through the cord guard as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord guard gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord guard is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. With the cover removed, now I can remove the cord clamp. Now I'll disconnect the cord wires, the white wire, and then the black. Now remove the cord guard from the cord. I'll just pull the cord through it. And I'll install the new cord guard. Thread the wires through and then pull it onto the cord. Now I can reinstall the cord wires. First the black wire back to the switch, and the white wire to the terminal block. I'll place the cord back in place for the cord clamp and align the cord guard. Once everything's in place, I'll reinstall the cord clamp. I'll place the switch back into the housing and tuck all the wires out of the way so they don't get pinched when we replace the cover. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the cord guard on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.